You don't owe sin anything. The bill's been paid. Let's go to John 19, verse 30. Jesus said, "It is finished." And then he bowed his head and he gave up his spirit. That wasn't a whisper of defeat. It was a shout of victory. You had a debt you could never pay, but Jesus stepped in and said, "Put it on me." Every sin, every failure, every shameful moment paid in full by his blood. The cross wasn't a payment plan. It was a full cancellation. No balance remaining. No "I owe you" hanging over your head. You don't have to earn what's already been paid for. Walk in freedom. Walk in grace. The receipt reads, "It is finished." Type "Jesus paid it all" below if you're living debt-free in the Spirit. God bless you. Amen.